Hey you all, are you ready for some cookies? We're going to do some easy cookies today using a cake mix. I'm Susie and I'm at the 412 Homestead today, and we're going to show you how to make some simple lemon cookies using a lemon cake mix. Very easy, just 3 ingredients. We're going to do our cake mix, 2 eggs, and 1/2 cup of oil. So we're going to get started. This goes pretty quick, y'all, so get your oven heated to 350 degrees. That way they'll be ready. It'll be heated up by the time we get this mixed up. We're just going to take our lemon cake mix. We're going to crack in our 2 eggs. And 1/2 cup of oil. And we're just going to mix that up with our whisk. I'm using vegetable oil today. That's what I've got. So we're going to do 1/2 cup. We're just going to whisk that all together. I think this makes about 12 or so cookies. You know, it's not a big batch, but it'll be just enough for that sweet tooth that you've got. We're all about easy here on the homestead because we've got lots of projects, you all, and sometimes you just need a little treat, so we're going to do it simple. You know, I've told you in previous videos I like to buy the cake mixes and put them in our freezer so we can pull them out. Well, today we are going to pull it out for these simple little cookies. Kind of makes a dough. We're just going to drop them in uniform size little dough balls. You get it all off my whisk here. Wants to stick in there, but we don't want to leave any of it behind. We want it in a cookie. Smells really good, y'all. That lemon fresh scent. Just to show you, it makes a dough about like that right there. So what I'm going to do is I put parchment paper on my cookie sheet. I'm just going to take about a tablespoonful, drop it on the cookie sheet. I'm going to give it a little space in between. You know what? We're just going to be safe. I'm just going to put 2 deep. Just going to give it a little bit of a shape here. You could probably roll it into a little ball, but some of these I've dipped out a little bigger than the others, but that's okay. And if they bake together, I don't bet anybody's going to complain. Now you could make them smaller. Say if you've got little kids and little hands, you could make them a little smaller. But I chose to make these a little bit bigger because we like a bigger cookie. So we're going to stick these in the oven and we're going to bake them for about, I'm going to check them about 8 to 10 minutes and we'll see what we've got. All right, you all, we got those cooled. We got them on our little cake platter here. Actually, it's our cookie platter that we made with cake mix, and they smell yummy. They did make about 12 cookies, and I think they turned out just beautiful. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Help us to grow our channel here at the 412 Homestead. I'm Susie, and we thank you all for stopping by. God bless.